Yo, what's up, guys? As you know, we're starting on making slime. Oh, next video I'm gonna have life hacks. So, what are materials we're gonna need? Something to mix with, of course. You know that's number one. Well, really, the something to mix in is number one. I'm sorry, there's just a little bit of water on that. So we need something to mix in, number one. Something to stir with. We're gonna need it's basically just baby gel. That's what we're gonna need, because that's gonna bring the slime together. Sorry, it's kind of wet. We're gonna need diligent and conditioning shampoo and any kind of salt. Now, you are gonna start by alright, first you're gonna start by adding your baby gel. Just how much you want. I already have some already, so I'm not gonna really pour that much. About that much for me. But we gotta pour more of this than the baby gel, because the baby gel is just okay. This is thick, so we want to add more of that to it. You want to stir it up. See, it starts to form, but it won't come together unless we add this salt. You don't want to add too much, just the right amount. There, go, and stir it together. Hold on, let me stir this. There we go, guys. Our slime, we can touch it, you know. It just sticks a little bit, but it's fine. You can touch it, you can really... Sorry guys. My camera is not doing good today. Sorry again. Now add a little bit more salt if it's just not there yet. Mine is just not right. Add a little bit more salt and just stir. You don't want to add that much salt. And you see it starts to come together. You should see it forming just right. And can touch, but it's still a little touchy. It still sticks a little bit, but you know, that's fine. That's just fine. Hopefully. It's not that liquid. It looks too liquidy. So you don't want to stir it for a long time. And when it gets like that, add salt. Make sure you put it in a Ziploc bag, or it won't be slime anymore when you wake up. Stir. And just right. Alright, guys. You know, I'm in this video. I'm gonna end this video now, but I just wanted to let you know I'm gonna start out with life hacks now. I'm gonna show you like two, 3 life hacks tomorrow, or probably 5 minutes from now. Okay. You see this? Oh, one more thing. I forgot the introduction. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Become a Twinkle Toe. Please. We're trying to get up to 200 followers. 200 thumbs up. So hit that thumbs up. Bye, guys. Love you.